Can you guys hear me? Are we live? Let me know if you can hear me and let me know if the music's okay. I turned the music down a little bit from the last stream. Seemed like it was a little too loud. Let me fix my mic. What's up, Jat B? What's up, Silver? Ibrahim's in the house. He says XCN problem. What's up, Slava? Got DZ, CD, Link Skater. How you guys doing? What's up, Eldor? He says, Trump, what happened to crypto? Man, I don't know. We just been dead lately, but that's the way it is. The name of the game, I guess, for being in crypto. We'll go up at some point, but I think we got to die first. Oh, XCN's breaking down, huh? Haven't even checked today. Yeah. Yeah. XCN needed to hold this box here. This green support box, 786 to 618 from 21 to 22. I mean, it could still hold up on the weekly. But man, she's getting hit hard on the daily. Looks like game over. Game over. No music. What about now? Should be able to hear the music just a little bit now. Oh man, it really is game over. What's up? God got me says you watching B3. What is that? Yeah, I would imagine Degen's dying. If XCN's getting hit like this, then these coins that are already getting hit, they're either going to bounce or they're going to just continue to go down into the shadow realm. Yeah, starting to break support here. Let's see, daily candles. Oh, that's not a good look. It looks like another bear flag is forming on Degen. Just like here. And here. Man. Tired of being so bearish here. B3 is the new XCN. What did you say? Degen. Oh, Ondo. Yeah, we need some kind of bearish music. Let's see here. Where did it go? I don't know. Not on StreamYard, so I don't have all the tunes that we usually have. Gotta pick and choose. I guess that's a little better. Alright. ABT's probably getting hit hard. No, she's still holding. Arc block is right there on support. Any lower than it is now, then game over for now for arc block. Any lower than 90. Yeah, if this support on arc block doesn't hold, this thing's gonna die. 40% drop is in play right now, all the way down to 56. Jeez. Ondo. I don't know. Kind of hoping Ondo falls down. I'll buy Ondo. But as of right now, you're still getting stuck at the previous high here. Possible bear flag, back testing it. But Ondo has to get back above 148 and then 160. Let me pull that up. This 618 here, get back over the flag, and that's your potential low to the high breakout point. So 160, 161 or so. Not drawn perfectly. B3 got listed on Coinbase. He says no music, please. Yeah, we need some Titanic music. So XCN's breaking down. Would y'all call it B3? B3, whatever that is. See if it pops up. Let's see what we got here. Another rug pull. Not yet. They haven't pulled the rug yet. Also, this thing just got listed. Yeah, hopefully you guys are taking profit on this thing. If you're in on it. Can't really do anything with it, but I would imagine it's going to fall off the table very soon. You're sitting on support right now, all the way on the 1 hour chart at 0096. As long as you hold that, you could continue up here, but it's brand new and it's on Coinbase, so there's no telling. Let's see, how far do they have it listed? What was that? Okay, these charts are different. I guess we'll go with the Coinbase chart. But yeah, I like the music in the background for at moments when I'm not talking. Don't really want dead silence here. Alright, Coinbase chart, you're holding over the previous high. As long as you're over 9.6, you're good. What do we make of ETH? When is QE? I have no idea. Seems like never. What's up, Dave? Not a rug pull, a scam pull. ETH, what is ETH doing? Let's see. Ethereum's about to die here. It looks like you just broke the trend and you're testing it as a resistance, so yeah, ETH could still come down a lot here if it doesn't get back over 2,700. ETH under 2,700 and 2,500 for support, 2,400, and then this thing's going to drop all the way back down here to 2,000. So 2,000 is possibly in play right now if we break this 618. So we'll just simply draw a must-hold support box for the bull run, or we're not going up for a long time. So there may be another couple of months of this, just so you guys know. Because now we got to build our way back up here and then chop around and then go up at some point in the future. We got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that. Arkham to $15. Arkham Intelligence, I appreciate the 2. Arkham. Yeah, I believe you mean Arkham Intelligence, right? What is this thing doing? Yeah, if this is the bottom, could very well be. Arkham Intelligence. If that's the bottom, you got to get back over the 236 to be bottom in, bullish back over 124, 125, and I would say breakout now is over 268. This is where you've been getting stuck at. But can it hit $15 is the question. I'd imagine a very low market cap. I think you asked this before. Definitely, I think $13. If it's not going to die from here. I don't know what this is. These newer coins, depending on how old this is, some of them don't perform well, as we can clearly see. Yeah, maybe $13 to $15 is possible. Get you a 17 to 20x, 21x on Arkham. There is no alt season without ETH going up. And ETH's not going to go up probably till QE. So until QE gets here and the dominance falls and ETH goes and the ETH BTC pair goes up, there is no alt season. That's why these coins are dying. Yeah, what's up, Flip Coins? We say Soul Coins are pumping. Soul Coins already pump. Or you may be saying they already pumped, what was it, back in March. Yeah, I remember when all the Solana coins were going to the moon. Maybe that was it. There is no meme season. Ugh. My Win coin is dying. I should have sold it. Yeah, I should have dumped it. XCN, man. Where'd our XCN go? Alright. What do we have in Bitcoin? 95. Oh, man. There's almost no point in streaming. It's been so dead lately. Now the XCN Moon Boys are going to be gone. Yeah, if this holds up coming down, then yeah, that's going to suck. It's going to hurt the revenue here because XCN's been holding the channel up. Man. Yes, a lot of memes are cooked. What's up, Clovins? Yeah, the dump is happening. I mean, if we stay below if XEN stays below the 618 on the macro here, macro 0.5 is up next, a 42% drop down to 1.1. AOS. AOS is up 20%. Yeah, AOS looks like XRP here. XRP is doing the same thing. It's holding the previous trend back testing back over the 786 at 43. So AOS is still looking okay here. As long as it doesn't break down back inside the trend and come down here to 1920, then it could be death at that point. But a back test and a bounce, not bad. If it can get up here and get a weekly close over 119, then it'll be in a good spot. But from where you are, if AOS can hit 20 bucks, if it holds up, that'd be a 45x. She's trying to hold, so did Turbo hold up? What's today, Tuesday? Yeah, Turbo still looks extremely bearish here. It's getting stuck right at that 4 level. It can't punch through. Yeah, we're getting discounts on everything, so Turbo here can easily drop 50% almost. Oh man. Yeah, we already looked at B3 or B3, whatever it's called. B3 base. Yeah, she's going. I mean, it doesn't look bad here, even though we see a rug pull, scam pull. The fact that it got up here and possible, like you said, cup and handle, had a double bottom with a higher low. That was bullish. You're holding the high at 9.6. This thing may rocket out of here. Looks like the measured move would take you all the way up here to the 2 level, if that's cup and handle. So yeah, this thing may get a nice little 66% spike up to almost 2 pennies. Not financial advice, of course. Don't put your life savings into it. Oh man. What's up, Blue Man? He said let's dust off that bullish music soon. Can you guys hear the music? Yeah, I don't know where the bear track went. me see if I can find it real quick. Oh, come on. Where's the button? Yeah, I don't see the button anywhere. Oh, come on. Alright, forget it. Oh, what's up, Dennis? What's up, XCN, bro? Everything's getting wrecked, yep. There's no money coming in. Yeah, I agree. Everyone's selling that it was in. What's up, YOG? I'm new here. Could you have a throw? Could you have a throw at... Can you look at Swift Coin? That's what I'm getting. Yeah, it does feel like it's going down to the bottom. Everything does. B3 to the moon. Let's go look at Swift Coin real quick. What is Swift Coin doing? A bunch of nothing, down 12-13%. Yeah, it's pretty much what we've been saying in every stream, that these things probably gonna die and come all the way back down. So what can you do? What are we down below here on Swift? Breaking our 382 low to the high support, so no longer bullish below 2-1. Next target is 16. You do have a double fib here, so maybe we'll bounce. So it looks like another 16% drop unless you get back over 2-1. And worst case scenario for all these coins, back all the way down to the trend. Man, that would be devastating. 75% drop for Swift coin holders. That's going to be tough to sit through. So as these things are coming down, there's really no point even looking at the high targets right now. We were hoping for 10 cents, but now she's melting away. Back down to the shadow realm for everyone. You got out of B3, took profits. That's always good. What's up, Slava? What's up, Hoshi? It's over for now, it looks like, and then we're going to have to wait another month or two before we have a chance at going back up. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I would imagine Kava looks like crap. Because Kava was already looking like it. Oh, she's still holding. Holding our bullish market structure, as you can see on the chart there. Keeping it simple, lower lows, lower highs. There's nothing bullish on the Kava chart, but it is down here, so. But as we went over last night, low, high, 618, and you're still over the 0.5, so not in a bad spot. You're going sideways. You're doing this exact consolidation again, so that is bullish. So as long as you stay over 38 to 43 here, I mean, it's probably going to chop around and then break out over 50. If you get over 50, then 58, then you got something here. And it could do what it did last time, a little breakout and then it stops. So you could get a nice little move up on Kava. 100% move. Nice little 2x move to the upside, which would be good for the overall price action and chart. If you can break these highs here, the clear downtrend, then you'll have something on Kava. But until that market structure is broken, it's just buy the dip. You're not going up anytime soon. But not a bad move, a 9x up to the 786 here at 4. And then if you want your moon gamble shot, 25 bucks, 52x on Kava. So what is Myro doing? We should have just listened a month ago when Myro was dying. Myro was leading the way, the leader of the pack. Yeah, we should have known when Myro was doing this. Just get ready, the market's about to crash. Yeah, there's nothing coming in on Myro. Momentum's completely flat. Myro's still headed to a penny. Could be a very good place to buy it though. Back to a penny for Myro. Yeah, Swiftcoin doesn't look good right now, so there's still a good chance it could drop, so I don't know what to tell you guys. What's up, Jack Sparrow? What's up, Slobby? You can't hear the music? Some people were saying it was too loud and too bullish. Alright, let me just put it back to the regular settings. I thought it was too loud. Alright, someone just type a 1 if the music's good. If you can hear it okay. I just turned it up a little. I was trying to find our bearish music, but I don't know where it went. There used to be a search bar where I could search music. Let's see. Oh man. No music, they say. Alright, now you guys are typing 1s. Yeah, XCN's pulling away from the downtrend now, so looks horrible. Yeah, we're never going to get a bounce back. It's over. So the few things that did pump, hopefully you guys did take some profit. Let's see. Big pump on B3. What's up, Shadow? Yeah. Sitting here watching Myro die. Only thing bullish is B3, I guess. All the way down to the hour chart. Yeah, she's still pushing. Yeah, the volume's coming back in. If I had some money, I would throw it on B3 real quick and a little 3x long. But I ain't got no tether. A B3 watch party, I guess. Just like back in the day, or a couple weeks ago when it was the XCN watch party forever. Powell will have good news in the morning. We'll see. Out of nowhere, QE, and let's go to the moon. That would be nice. Jasmine, I would imagine Jasmine's still holding up. Let's see. And where did our fib go? Yeah, it still looks like two's in play. We just can't be bullish at all, so as long as Jasmine holds over 2, you're good. I believe, yeah, I did a Jasmine update today. But Jasmine over 2, you're still good, even down to 16 here. Even if it falls down here, we're just not as bullish as we want to be. And then we'll take off our little supposed inverted cup and handle pattern here, or inverted head and shoulders pattern. But Jasmine, once Jasmine finally gets a weekly close over the 382 at 5, that's when you can be bullish on this thing. Until then, it's just buy the dips. And then, of course, 12 is, or yeah, the 0.5 at 12 is next, but the 618 here at 30 is the target everyone's looking for. 14, yeah, almost a 14x. And then I'm looking here for $1, 50x on Jasmine. Come on, XCN. We got tops for 5. I appreciate that. Can we look at fly coins? I don't know what that means. It's in its infancy phase. I think the site and white paper and pre-sale dropped this month. Yeah, if I can understand what that means. What is Fly T coins plus wetter PG? Should I type that in, or am I gonna get banned? Okay, I don't know what that means, but let me look. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, my man. I appreciate the 5, but I don't know what you're talking about. Let me look on Deck Screener. B3 to the moon. Oh, that word is Twitter. Oh, can we look at... I still don't know the coin and Twitter page. Maybe the Twitter page, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna have to look that up on something because just screw the music. I'm gonna move that out of the way. Come on. My computer's running really slow. It's gonna go back to the shadow realm with the market, I think. That'd be the last thing to send me to the shadow realm, is my computer dying. Alright, I gotta get out of deck screener. I gotta get this off of the screen. Let me put this on. Let me put this on B3 since it's going to the moon. I'll try to find this, what he's talking about. B3 to the moon. Let's go back over, see the chat, see if I got an answer. Looks like B3 is taking all the money. Everything else is getting sucked down while B3 is getting sucked up. What's up, Lady T? It's gonna be negative in Colorado. Texas is just no sun and cold. No sun and just cold all the time. All right. I'm attempting to pull up CoinMarketCap and look for fly-T coins. I don't know what that is. Can someone help? I think you spelled it wrong. Yeah. What's up, Sophia? But yeah, that B3 coin, it's gonna... We've seen this on the other coins. They go straight up and then they go straight back down. So if you're in on it right here, don't be afraid to take profits. It's getting stuck right now to 1414, 12, but you're over 11. We'll see how high this thing ends up going. Sucks watching a coin do that and then you're not in it. Like me, don't have any money to put in it. But yeah, whoever bought this thing when it got listed on Coinbase, I guess just watch it closely. Why is this not updating? Okay. Alright, you said you didn't have to send another 2. I appreciate the 2. You could have just answered, but I appreciate that. So it's not spelled wrong. Go to Twitter and type fly-T coin. Alright, we'll see. So there is no chart for this thing. My computer's being real slow here. Alright, Flighty coin. How do I do this? Come on. Alright, here we go. So this is what you're talking about. Oh, they only got 29 followers. Love to invite you on a road trip flight to wherever you want. So this is a brand new coin. Is it supposed to be something? I've only got 29 followers. And no chart. They retweeted XCN. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna see here, so I don't want to get banned. Yeah, if there's no chart, there's really nothing else I can do with it. Yeah, that's a good idea, Shadow. Take profits. Better safe than sorry. Yeah, I guess that'd be something worth looking into. Flighty coin, a new coin. I mean, it's not even on CoinMarketCap or anything. Okay. Yeah, I'll give it a look. Yeah, this B3 coin's still holding up. It's holding support, so they're watching this chart. Where are they going to send it, though? Where are they going to send this coin to? It launches soon. Pre-sale starts on March 1st. What did someone said? What's... I think someone said XYO. Let's see. XYO, what is she doing? She's still holding. Still attempting to hold the little large bull flag. I don't know why I said little. But yeah, XYO momentum is down. It looks like as long as you're over the 0.5, you're still good in this flag pattern. And then it'll probably break out over the 618, 382 there and head up to the 786 at 4. So you're down below the 236 again. 1.5 has to hold where it's been holding. But if you can hold this 17.5 level, once you can get over 2 pennies should be a breakout, a 20% move. And then confirmed over 23, and then that should have you a nice spike up of about 130% to 4. But if it breaks down, it's going to do like the rest of the market. Swift coin and everything. It's just going to crawl its way back down to the trend, all the way back to 006 here. So it's a must hold there. And then XYO, new high on XYO from where you are now, 21 cents, 3 billion market cap is an 11x. How low do we think Swift and XCN will go? XCN, Swift coin, we already went over them, but one more time. It's probably only going to be an hour stream because there's just nothing to look at. But yeah, Swift coin here is coming down to double support at 16. Any lower than that, you're already below the 382, so you're no longer bullish, which below the 382 puts in play 618 levels. So this thing's melting away right now. As of right now, about another 13-14% drop and a possible 32% drop. So just keep that in mind. Unless this gets bought back up somehow and we get back over the 382 at 2.1 on Swift. And like I've said before, I think we said it earlier, 75% drop all the way back down to the trend. It's just going to depend on how this market's going, which is not going good. It has been going good for weeks. And now we see it on XCN. XCN just couldn't hold. I mean, unless XCN just all of a sudden stops like it did here and here and goes right back up and back here, this could turn into, a large wick at some point, depending on what time frame you're on. Oh, we just got a new daily candle spawned in on everything. New bearish candle just spawned in, a red alert. So as long as this thing stays down below our green support box that did not hold, there's a possibility you come down to 1.7 and hold, but not likely. Yeah, there could be a 37% drop down to that level, but it's probably, if it's going to go that low, it's going to hit the 0.5 on the macro. You're going to have a 42% drop on your hands soon. But you got a daily close, 4-hour closes below, yeah. So hopefully you guys took profit on XCN. It looks like it's done. Yeah, so we can either watch coins sit there and die like XCN, or we'll stare at the green candle. The only green candle in Twitter and crypto right now. Damn. Yeah, man, I wish I could buy this thing right now. All right, how long we been live now? We got 49 people in here. All the B3 Moon Boys are coming in. Oh, 51 minutes already. Jeez. Our hour's almost up. Yeah, but anyone on B3 right now, just yeah, make sure, like Dave says, make sure you take profits. Because this is the 1 hour candles. If we zoom out, how many times have we seen a large weekly candle and just a death red candle spawn in out of nowhere? Because at some point they're going to dump on you, I would imagine. Doesn't have to. I mean, we'll see what happens here. XCN is not dead, it's undead. Yeah, I don't have the money to chase anyway, so we're all good. I mean, the only thing we're going by the indications is the other coins, the VVV coin and the Burr coin. Both got listed on Coinbase, and then they sent it down. Yeah, let's see. Nah, I guess that's too far in. I guess let me change this song real quick. Oh, here's the bear song. I found it. I think it's the most bearish song we have. As we're looking at this go up. Yeah, not a bad strategy. Get a little 2-3x and then maybe let some ride. Yeah, we know about VEE. Blocked V. Oh, is that it for blocked V? Oh, she's finally got her red weekly candle in. Yeah, we look at block V every live stream. As long as you're over the previous high at 38 here, you're in a good spot. But any lower than that, that's probably it for now. But every time we look at it, it's been bullish. So any lower, you got a 57% drop in play possible. Maybe not so much because you have a 236 here. But still. Let's see. About a 37% drop, so it's a must hold at that high. Yeah, Block V is still in a good spot. I mean, if it holds here and it comes all the way up from, where is it, 4 pennies to $1, it's a 34x. Oh, people are taking profits. The top is in. Oh, we got metal detecting. He changed his profile picture. How's it going, my man? Yeah, we're just watching one coin go up, and all the others are a bloodbath right now. What's up, Hamid? He says XRP. Veracity. Yeah, Veracity's not looking good. It looks like it just broke the trend and it's back testing it. And it just made a new low, so now it screws my whole chart up. And other than that, there's really nothing to say. I can't draw anything because it's I guess it's holding the previous low from back here. A nice dip down, but we've seen this before on everything, but the fact that you made a lower low is not good. So until you get back over that trend there, let me pull that back up. 2.7 and then bullish over 4.8, but that takes you over the 236 here. So 4.4 to confirm any kind of a bottom, and then of course clearly you have to break this structure here. So over the 7.8 or the 3.82 at 007, that's when you can be bullish on VRA again. Until then, it could go down a lot more. But if that is the bottom, 100x to the new high 1272 at 26 cents. If that's even possible, I doubt it. 786 retracement up to 4 would be a 15.5, 16x. XRP. Yeah, XRP is still holding up. We'll zoom in. Clearly, it's doing the same thing as we went over with AOS earlier. You're still holding, back testing the pattern that you took out. So it is healthy. I mean, it may not have done that if it wasn't for that crash we had. Because you were starting to form another little bear flag, or bull flag here. And then it just died. Other than that, I don't know what I can draw in here. But we had this drawn at one point. So high to the low out of the pattern, the breakout was over the 618. You see we broke out, and now we're holding a 0.5. So 234 should be what you're holding. And then over 264, it should shoot back up, but it's just not time yet. But you would think it would be time soon because XRP's been going down for a month now. There's just no one coming in the market. There's no one buying right now. Everyone's selling. We got Carlos for 2. I appreciate that. Spell token. Yeah, what are you up to now, Metal? You're still holding that 16 million. Oh, 16 and 16. Spell token. I appreciate the 2. Every little 2 that comes in keeps the dream alive here for another week. Oh man. Let's see. Oh, come on. Yeah, spell token's still on its way. Same thing Swiftcoin's probably doing. If we don't flip bullish and get alt season, this is exactly what we're watching to play out on everything. This little dumb line that we drew, but it's still playing out. So spell token here, you're down below, low to the high. Let's see where we have this drawn at. Yeah, you're down below the 3-2, coming up on the 0.5 at 8-9. But a lot of times when you break to 3-2, it puts in place 618. So we're still dropping. And any lower than 8-9, then 307, another 21% drop, and then there's a good chance we're just coming back down to the trend. We just made a higher high. Now it's time to come down and put in a higher low. So as you can see there, 40% drop incoming. Unless for some reason we bounce and get back over 001 to be bullish again. But yeah, they're shaking everyone out of the market, it seems like. Just let it go on for another couple weeks till I get paid, and then I'll buy in something real good. But spell token, I think, is going to hit a penny. Yeah, spell, possible 2 billion market cap, a penny, and about a 14x from where you are now. That will change as it goes down. You bought pre-sale LCAI. Oh, I've never had any luck with pre-sales, but I mean, we'll see. Hopefully it works out for you, my man. Corium's still a good play. I don't remember. One of those coins, Corium or Solo, was still holding up, and the other one I think was dying. Did I spell that right? Corium. Yeah, she's still holding the bull flag, as you can clearly see here. So yeah, Corium is still good at the moment. It's not dying like the other coins. Let's see, but as long as you can hold the bottom here, it looks like 16.8, bullish over 1.9, and then it looks like the breakout's clear or here. Depending on how you want to draw it, of course. Confirmed over 25, 618. But as of right now, Corium, if it doesn't break down, is in a good spot at the moment. Is this thing still going? And this thing's still trying to go. Yeah, if this thing breaks over 1.4, another 30% spike up possibly, because it's respecting the levels. ACH. What'd you say? Opinion on Caesar. What does that mean? All right. ACH is up next, I guess. Yeah, since there's nothing to look at or nothing to do, we're gonna. All right, I got ACH wrote down. This thing's starting to move. But yeah, you guys stare at B3 for a minute. Hopefully you guys can hear the music. I'll be back in a minute. I got to get out of this chair for a minute again. Makes it worse sitting in this chair when we're bearish and I'm losing money. Yeah, I'll be back in 5 minutes. All right, I'm back. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, when you look at ACH. Oh, this thing's still pushing. That's so heartbreaking. ACH. Yeah, I believe I did an ACH video today too. It's probably what I'll do tomorrow. I'm just gonna grind harder than I've ever grinded before. Yeah, ACH is just like the other coins. We've been saying the same thing. You're coming down to the 382 on the macro, so any lower than 2.5, then there's a chance. It depends on what's going to happen here, but it's coming down pretty fast. 29% drop is lurking. So any lower than 2.4 to 2.5, then simple back test it, or back down to the trend to put in another higher low. So any lower than that, you're not macro bullish anymore, but it's more likely than not going to bounce off of this bottom trend line here. And then back up. Everyone will get bullish, and then it'll come back down again. And we're not going up until summertime, it looks like. But ACH, you know, it's getting close to the end of this. But ACH, I think, is really going to hit 50 to 60 cents. So, is there any ACH wells in here? So, possibly a 20x from where you are now on ACH. ADA, please. Cardano. Yeah, I think I did Cardano today too. Yeah. Metal detecting. You're gonna still hang out here when y'all are millionaires. You guys are all gonna disappear in the bear market. But we're more prepared here. I think the bear market, once if I make any money this cycle, which I have to, I got to get better money in the market, because now more than ever in my life I need money just to get things rolling along. But yeah, I heard ADA is gonna have ETF. That's what all the big influencers were saying today. Cardano to the moon. Yeah, Cardano's another coin if it waits for me. I don't know, where is it at? I mean, I had this one last bull run. But if it's going to pull an XRP and all these other coins, then maybe ADA is going to be something. Maybe Cardano will actually reach this new 1272 high and do about an 8x from today. But yeah, I'd imagine that's why she's pumping today, because all the influencers are saying ETF. So low to the high, you're back over the 382 at 73. You're bullish. Breakout is over 91, 92. 0.5 and then 92, and then maybe you'll get a decent spike up. How much, we do not know, because everything's bearish. But I would imagine this little pump, like I said, is from the ETF. So you could have a 43% move up if you break out of here, or even a 786 retracement, 176, 120. That would be the best scenario for Cardano here. But she's still holding up in the macro bull flag, like these other old coins. The older blue chip coins, I think, are the play. They're holding up well. Still here for the bear market. Yeah, there's still money to be made in the bear market too. Just as you can buy things going up, you can also short things going down. which that'll be probably one of the things that I'll get into is when we see these coins topping out and everything's starting to fall off, you know the bear market's going to suck everyone back down to the shadow realm for the next 4 years. So just put in some good shorts on some of these coins and just watch as they go down. XCN, Harlem says Turbo, Shiba, and Elon. Yeah, I feel you, Hamid, with those meme coins. The 3 little meme coins I got right now are going to zero. It's not even worth pulling the money out because it's so less now. The focus is on these other coins, the ISOs, the RWAs. Meme season may not ever come. That's why they're gamble plays. Metal detecting, I have no idea how to short. Well, I may start making tutorial videos on the channel. What do you guys think about that? I can make some blowfin videos and show you guys how to short and long. Put your stop losses and use it all. It's not hard to learn, but it can increase your money a lot. Like if you knew how to long metal right now with you could go on whatever site you can use. I don't know what you can use, but you could go on whatever site you use to long and short if you had one, and you could put all that 16 million Jasmine on a little 3x long and probably make out like a bandit. Triple your $1 million that you're gonna get, or 16 million. Not that you're gonna hold that long. But I mean, you guys, we're going down now, but there is going to be an alt season. It's just not here yet. There's too many things that have to factor into it, and it's just not here. So the ones with money on the side, or you're already holding your bag and you're going to hold it at when the season kicks in, we'll know it, and these things are going to erase all the death we've been through, all the shadow realms we've been through within a month or two. In a month or two, if you're holding the right coin, you'll have that 50x, 60x, whatever it's going to be, and all that money will just come back and you'll be happy. Yeah, XCN's melting away here. But that was the update I did today. If it can't hold this box and it can't break the downtrend, if the downtrend's never broken and this box breaks, it's good game. As of right now, it looks like XCN's dropping down to the 0.5. But that's why I've been saying, if you bought at the bottom and you didn't chase, which I chased because I'm retarded and stupid. I don't mean to say retarded, but you get the idea. When we hit that 618 with the wick above, time to get out. But that's going to be my game plan from now on. If I get in on anything and it hits a 618 retracement, I'm cutting. And then most of the gains are going to be made. I don't know if you guys realize, but most of the gains in crypto are going to be made at the very end. The very end of the bull market. Things are going to just start flying, and then the top is in, and then everyone's going to hold, thinking we're still bullish as hell. And then you're going to be caught holding the bag for the next 4 years. Yeah, you have everyone saying it's a bear market, the market's over, but it hasn't even started yet. I mean, with XCN here, XCN is just another coin. I know there's a lot of people that came into the channel here, and I appreciate it from XCN. And you guys that bought down here at the bottom, I'm, I'm, I'm glad you guys bought down there. But hopefully you guys took profit. But this does not look good. Just, I mean, just look at it. If we just take everything off the chart and look at the weekly, we've been hoping for the move up to the next volume area, but just the state of the market here. Everyone's scared. Everyone has fear. So they're selling, and you can clearly see it on the chart. Unless somehow you get back over the 618 and hold this volume area that we blew through, since we have these large moves, we're coming back down to fill the gaps. And how low, no one knows. But filling the first gap right now. So from the looks of it right now, it looks like it's dropping 40%. It still may go back up at some point in the market, but maybe we're looking for something like this, because it's just another coin. No matter what they do, what they partner with, whatever. Maybe it comes down here and consolidates, and then it shoots back up, and then maybe the top this cycle is 10 cents or so. But you get the idea. Maybe it comes all the way back down to the 382, and then bull market alt season kicks in, and then that's when it shoots up again. Gives people to buy in down here, and then you get another, and people get another chance to get almost a 18x out of it. But you get the idea. It would be nice if alt season kicked in right now and this thing just held up and we just went to the moon. Then that's where you get your 87, 88 to $1 price target. But same thing with XCN. Everyone was so bullish on it, and everyone's calling for these ridiculous prices on this. Then that's when you know the top is in. When YouTubers are coming out and saying it's going, I know I think my target of 10 cents here is crazy. From the bottom, 80 cents is insane. And then you got people calling for $1 to $5 on XCN when it was bullish at the top already. Yeah, we looked at Kava. Kava, says Derek. Yeah, hopefully I didn't miss no super chats. I gotta check, I guess. Did Kava make a new blue? I don't remember now. Oh yeah, Kava's not in a bad spot right now. It's not completely dying. It's doing this same thing here. The wick down and consolidate. Ooh, excuse me, wick down and consolidation. But Kava, there's nothing bullish on the chart because you're overall higher or lower highs and lower lows. But right now in this consolidation, if you hold, you hit the 618, you're above the 0.5. If you hold here, bullish over 49.50, you know, you could get a nice little run up, another spike and run up. And it could be it's time to, you know, shoot out of here like XCN and do almost a 5x up to the 618, but no one knows. But if you blow out of here over 58, you know, we could get a nice move up to the 382 to $1, 2x. And then hopefully hold over that and break the downtrend clearly in play. That would put you in a good spot, bullish over that level. But yeah, Kava's another good one here. I mean, it's not dying completely. If this one's on Coinbase, it would be on my list. I don't know if it is or not. And that's the reason it would be on my list. 618, 786 retracement. 9x, and possibly, you know, you throw the right amount of money on Kava. That's my whole thing. Get a decent 5x up to the 618 retracement. Back to the B3 watch party. Is she still going? Holy macaroni. Damn. If I could have only found a way to get a little bit of tether right now, I could have longed this from when we started looking at it down here. She's still bullish. She made it up to our target. Now, next one up. Damn, I just need like $100 in tether put on this thing. It's still bullish right now. Another 20% spike coming soon to a theater near you to 2 pennies. Where's B3 going? Right now it's going to the moon. Still got a lot of volume coming in. It looks good. Yeah, they'll all come back. It's just a shakeout. Where's B3 going? You thought February was the start of alt season? That's why you can't listen to influencers. Which I'm not an influencer at all. But I don't think I've ever said that. I've said from a long time ago from our Bitcoin chart, if you guys have seen it or remember it, but springtime is probably late spring, early summers when we're going up. But springtime's always been my thought on alt season. I saw your Jasmine video. Do we still think 30 cents? Oh yeah. Even if Jasmine breaks down and goes down lower, I think 30 cents is inevitable. It's definitely going to hit 30 cents. Now, the dollar price to get you a multi-millionaire, I think it's going to go there, but it doesn't have to. So please don't hold your 16 million to a dollar. I know you won't. I don't think B3 is done yet. Oh, look at the volume coming in on this thing. People are taking profits right now, but it's probably going to shoot right back up. Just make sure you guys, if you're holding this thing, take your profit. Yeah, it's the same thing with XCN. When we were doing the XCN stream, we were looking on the 1 minute chart, watching XCN go to the moon. It's always when I don't have any money. Same thing with B3 here. It's just the timing of the market. It's just bearish to me. Or bearish on me. Is Q&T dead? No. If my computer would let me, I would scroll back through the chat to see what you guys have been saying, but I hope I didn't miss any super chats. I don't think I did. It feels like a bear market. I guess it is technically a bear market until alt season kicks in, like for real. It's just chop until we're there. You don't think you can wait for a dollar? What's up, Sir Beard? I haven't seen you in a while. EOS? We haven't looked at EOS in forever, I don't think. Maybe we have. Another coin at the bottom, nothing bullish on the chart. I guess we did look at this recently. Well, you made the higher high here, so that could be the start. The start of breaking the downtrend. Put it in a higher low right now, so not looking too bad. Is EOS, so is EOS and Kava Coinbase plays? I'm trying to get me a good list built up. Yeah, not perfect, but you hit the 786, and now you're getting stuck right at the 618 at 66. So if you can get over that, and then back over 91, you're bullish. And like I said, could be the start of the higher highs and the higher lows where this thing starts grinding its way up before it goes to the moon. But not in a bad spot at the moment. And this is another one. 618 retracement to $4.90, $5 is a 8x pretty much. I can't wait till I get into the rollover plays. If I'm at that point to where I can finally get some sort of money and get into these rollover plays, and I'm not guaranteed, but you know, these little moves up and just keep doubling my money, tripling my money. That'll be the best feeling ever. Is QNT dead? No. I did a QNT update today too, so maybe you check that out. But QNT is just simply doing what 8 is doing, or not, ACH and many others. They're simply just stuck in patterns. They're going from the bottom to the top, top to the bottom. So until alt season is here, but you know, zooming out to the monthly chart, this is where you can see these patterns really good. This is exactly how we caught the bottom here. When this thing was starting to go to zero, we were looking on the monthly, you know, months and months ago, and we were saying the bottom is in, this is it. Just like the top was in just now. So you can clearly see the best thing to do would just be buy the bottom, sell the top, buy the bottom, sell the top. And she's coming back down to the bottom, it seems like. Doesn't have to, because you are holding macro support. So a 20% drop to 71, and this thing could easily drop back down 30% to the bottom here. But macro support where we are now, then you can clearly see what I'm talking about. So it doesn't have to go lower than it is. I believe it's sitting on a 618 from the update earlier. Yeah, you're just above your 618 here. So this 81 level. I wanted to say it was 85. Okay, there we go. From that most recent move down to the top, 85. You're sitting perfectly with these weekly body candles. So there's a chance it doesn't break down below 85. And if it doesn't on QNT, then, you know, we could pull back up. And if you get and you're holding over the 382 here and getting kind of squeezed from the trend and holding the 382, that could signal that's about to break out. But we will be here to cover it. Your whole portfolio is sick as AF. Haven't done a prediction for Bitcoin. I definitely want to buy one. Yeah, at this point, it's best to wait till the bear market to buy a Bitcoin. That would be nice too. If I could ever own one Bitcoin, my life is complete. if I ever have that kind of money. Yeah, but I don't remember what chart it's on. Our Bitstamp chart here on Bitcoin. This is that monthly chart that I drew up a long time ago, where everything lines up. So even though we feel different right now, it's just every time. It's the same amount of time from the bottom to the halving, halving to the high, high to the low. Just every time it lines up perfectly. So until that changes, we can go with this. So the halving, I know we made a new high before the halving. That's why everyone says it's different. We're clearly not in a bear market. Top is here in November, potentially. Bottom is here in November of 2026. And the next halving is all the way out here. And all these little bars and numbers all line up. 17 bars from the bottom to the halving. 17 bars from the bottom to the halving. 17 bars from the bottom to the halving. So you get the idea. As you go back in time, they change just a little bit, but not much. But for the last 3 times, it's been exactly the same. So this year, just like last time, you can see last time we went straight up, and then that's where we had that double top, and that was it. So, I mean, we're either going to start shooting up, or we're going to go sideways and just hit it here and do nothing. But I really think Bitcoin's going to 180 to 200K. It's going to come out of nowhere, and we're going to start going up at some point. And then the Coinbase chart here, looking at the monthly chart, like right now, Bitcoin, as you can clearly see on the chart on the monthly, it's pulled away from the trend like it did here. So we could either come back down and be super bearish for the next 5 months, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're holding up in the bull flag pattern here. So this consolidation period in this pattern is very bullish in my opinion. And then on our chart here, it came up here and got stuck. See how the monthly candles got stuck here? If we go back to the weekly, the next stop up is the 1414, 127K. So lining up with the 180 to 200K, 173 is the 1618. So maybe we hit that and maybe we wick above it. So that's why I have 180 and maybe 200K. But that's just my opinion. But very bullish on this consolidation on Bitcoin. Let's see, what are we talking about? What's up, Halo 82? How's Swiftcoin looking? Not good. Swiftcoin looks like it's coming back down all the way. XCN's trying to get back, says Dave. You still holding your meme coins, Dave? Still holding mine, but they're going to zero. Yeah, I agree. Profit is better than nothing because check this out on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin on the Coinbase chart. Use a ruler from 2017 top to the bottom You get 52 weeks. Then check 2021 top to the bottom. You get 52 weeks. So 2017 and then 2021. Okay. Oh, hold on. That's the wrong tool. Is that what you're talking about? 52 weeks. I'm trying to find the 52 weeks. Yeah, I'm seeing 12 bars on both. How many weeks are in a year? Man, I haven't been in school forever. I don't even remember. There's a good question for you guys. How many years has it been since you've been in graduated or been in school? That's a good question. Yeah, holding still getting hammered though. Yeah. Oh, weekly time frame. Boy's making me work. If I could see anything. This is what you mean? Yeah, I don't know what you mean. That's the same thing. BTC B3. She's still moving. Oh, hopefully you guys took profit. They're selling. Let's see though. This time we'll go low to the high, hour candles. Alright, so it can come all the way back down to the 1618 double support and still be bullish. Or it could hold up right where it is. Wow, we're coming up on 2 hours. Didn't know we were here so long. You FOMOed in at 14. Well, you're still up in profit right now. You just got to do what's best for you. A little bit of selling pressure coming in, but it did it back here. Pumped. Yeah, this hour candle just spawned in, so we'll see what happens. I didn't buy in. I don't have the money to, so I didn't cause the drop. I caused the drop on DGen and XCN. The Echelon show. Can you do Solana? Okay, yeah. All right, it is 52 weeks. Yeah, that's what I have on my chart. Every time it's 12 bars, 365 days. That's why I think November of 2026 is going to be the bottom for Bitcoin. And of course, we got to kind of we're gonna be here. We're gonna try to time it right, and then we'll just put in a little 3x long on Bitcoin for the next bull run. And hopefully, I have 100K to put in on it or something. But Master says that I did 1,000 push-ups today. I read the chart wrong. I tore my shoulder. You tore your shoulder. B3 is on everything. Gate.io, Coinbase, Binance. Is it for real? See, why can't they list XCN on Binance so it would go up for me? Just everything over the last month or two that I've bought, especially from you guys sending me some Solana and then sending me some Tether. Everything went down. I think I learned my lesson for this bull run again. I think I'm gonna play it really smart next time I get any kind of money in the market. So hopefully when I get paid, I'm gonna have to focus. Solana. Oh, what am I doing? Sol. Yeah, I think once Sol runs, some of these meme coins will go back up. That's why I'm just going to hold the little positions I do have, and if they give me my money back, they do, but it's not even that much, so it doesn't matter. Excuse me. Solana. Solana's holding up well. So Solana on the weekly chart, simply just back testing. It had a little move out of here. It's making higher highs, putting in higher lows, so it doesn't look bad. Solana's going to moon at some point. Oh, you're below the 382 and getting stuck right at it. All right, so short term, even though this is weekly candle, Solana doesn't look too promising. 10% drop, and then possibly all the way 618, 18% drop. Yeah, if Solana ends up breaking down, if it hits 180, that's a good price to get in. It's still making higher lows on the smaller time frames. You can clearly see. I mean, it could be it here, but we were calling this back here. 170 on Solana was a good buy. If Solana ends up coming down all the way this way, maybe with a wick and back testing yet again, that would be a great buy. 160 Solana. But if you can get back over 203, you're back to being bullish. And just looking at Solana on the macro monthly chart, let's see. But it's simply consolidating on the larger time frames. I think Solana's going to hit this $700 range, 300 billion market cap. But that could change if XRP is going to $30, then Bitcoin's going to 200K plus, then Solana will probably hit $1,000, if not more. But I think $700 is fair on Solana. If Solana doesn't hit $700, then the market was Really bad. We got just chilling for 10. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Thanks. I hope this helps a little bit. I appreciate that so much, my man. Or my girl. I don't know. Just chilling. Seems like a guy, but I appreciate that. Keeping the hope alive on the channel here. Slowly grinding away, though. I mean, we're over 12K subscribers now. Even in bearish times like this, we're having 40 or 50 people hang out on here, and you guys are chatting and getting to know each other, so that's good. Let's see. Oh, B3. Yeah, she looks like she's coming down to stay bullish at 14.14. So not financial advice. If it's either the top or it could be a good buying opportunity to get back in. So depending on where you bought, if you bought and you made a lot of profit, maybe put your initial investment back in here. Maybe it'll bounce and go straight back up. Is Velodrome done? What do you mean by jazz me out of the innovation zone? Is that on Binance? What's up, Joe? Joe, you sound like me. You saw B3 had an announcement on Twitter at 4 cents. Yeah. Man, you could have bought the bottom one. You talking about all the way down here, huh? That's why you got to do your research on these coins. I mean, I have no idea what this is. B3 base. Oh, man. Velodrome. Sam says I bought at 0065, but it's still going up. Yeah, what is Velo doing? But yeah, Velodrome, I don't remember. Does this one come back down? I think this is one of the ones we looked at. And it's the reason I keep saying these other coins are coming down. Yeah. Yeah, it's not done. It just came down. Same thing Swift's going to do. Spell's going to do. They put in the macro higher high. Now they're putting it in the higher low. Simple as that. All you got to do is zoom out. I mean, that's hard to do because these are weekly candles, especially if you go out to the monthly, like on QNT and other coins. You can do the same thing, but you have to hold for months on end just to get your result. Back to the bottom at 382 at 68. Now it's time to make a higher high. So Velo's not done. Velodrome's going to be a good play, I think. But you can clearly see new high possibly, if that's all she does, which is probably not. But from here, if it doesn't break down, of course. What is that? 8.5x up to 63. Maybe a wick above and hit 65. But Velo's another one on my rollover list here. If it stays down here, it depends on how long and when I ever get money to get in on anything. But it's at the bottom. That's bottom. But yeah, I appreciate the 10 there from you, my man. Going back to the chat. Oh, this one here, B3 is a gaming token on base. So Coinbase just listed it, so did everyone else. But yeah, the other Velo. The other Velo is, I don't know. It's reminding me of Vara and so many other coins. This is clearly a rising wedge pattern after the very strong move down. And inside the pattern, volume is going down. I mean, I was once so bullish on this, but then once I realized, it woke up my brain. You're holding the 382. If you cannot hit and get over the 6 or the 0.5 at 4.6 here, you're going to come back down and you run the risk of breaking down. So if we're going to be bearish for the next couple of months, which it kind of looks like, then this thing's probably just going to break down, just to a certain degree. But as of right now, as long as you're holding the 382, if you've been buying in on Velo, you have a chance at a little 100% move, 150% move to the 0.5. But you can clearly see 236, 382 is holding right now. But once this thing does, if it's going to break down, then you can clearly see an 80% drop, if not a 90% drop. It's going to go follow Myro and Velo or Vara and whatever else has been going down like that. Innovation zone for months now. Okay. Looks like a double top. What does? The whole market. The whole crypto market's double topping. We're done. We're cooked. Ski mask dog. How do you know when to get out? Ski mask. So what's the news going to be tomorrow? It's going to be bearish or bullish? Another Wednesday's here. Jerome Powell's going to open his fat mouth and send us all back into the shadow realm. He just needs to come out and just scream shadow realm. Maybe that would be bullish if he just came out and did that, because most of us in crypto would know what he's talking about, and then we'll go up. I think someone said Toshi earlier. All right, we'll go to Dex Screener for a minute. Toshi and B3. Yeah, is there a Shadow Realm token? I know there's a Shadow coin. Oh, you're still holding up here. The Bulls and the Bears are fighting right now over for B3. Damn, I wish I had some Tether to get in on B3 right now. JP gonna announce tomorrow. Master says my ultimate play is to rotate all into LCX. 100K to 1 million. I hope you get that. Yeah, I agree, DZ. You can never time the top or the bottom. You can only guess at best. That's why I'm just going to be taking profit. All right, looking at XCN here. So XCN, I mean, it doesn't look good. You have 3-day daily candle closes below. It's not looking good for XCN at the moment. And I try to be as honest as I can on all the updates that I do. I don't come on here screaming to the moon for XCN just because just because it'll get views and more people on the channel. But ultimately, if you come on here and you tell people false information, on purpose, then that just misleads everyone, and that's not good for anyone. So our support box is broken. It's trying to get bought back up right now, but until you get back over 21 up to 22 here, there is no up. So it can clearly come back up here, get stuck, and then fall off the table. Or it could consolidate here and form a bear flag. We don't know what's happening yet. But to me, it looks done. At least for now. It's going to go back up at some point, of course. Unless for some reason we get bought back up and we form a huge wick like on these other ones. But like I keep saying, XCN is just another coin. I know you're bullish on it, you're married to it, or whatever, but it's all depending on the market. But yeah, just looking at it here, that doesn't look good at all. What is another coin? I guess go back to B3 for a minute while I think of the other coin, and then we'll go over to Deck Screener. Look at Hoshi and Ski Mask. Yeah, they're still fighting it out here. Still fighting it out. does the screen look like that on Deck Screener? Let's see. Let me see if I can fix this. All right, Toshi to begin with on Deck Screener. Oh yeah, Toshi looks like the top is in too. Toshi's bearish, so everything's bearish. As of right now, it looks like another 18% drop on Toshi. Toshi, yeah, you're sitting right on the 0.5 support. So any lower than 5.9, you're at 6.0 at the moment. So if this support does not hold, 15 to possibly 618 once you broke the 382, 30% drop. But it's looking like everything else looks clearly like a top is in. So everyone that took profit on these recent pumps on Toshi, on Swiftcoin and SPA and XCN, if you took your money out and took profit, you're probably the winner right now. Ski Mask is still holding the 236 low to the high, so you're still bullish over 7.7 here. If you can hold 7.7, price to beat is 12. So Ski Mask is holding its own right now. Not looking bad. And if it can get up here and break through the new high where it tried to hold the 1414 at 35, once you break through 55 here, excuse me. Wow, that's a huge move. So if you hold up here, the 1618 at 55 is a 5x, and then if you get through that, there's nothing stopping you from doing an 86x up to $9. All right, are we still live? We still got 40 people hanging out. So did you guys answer the poll? Hit the like button. 93 votes. Man, you know we're bearish when there's not even 100 votes on the poll. We usually get a couple hundred votes on the poll, people coming in and out. But 83% said yes, 17% said no. It's our bull run. We need it now. I know. I know what you mean, my man. Clawman's wants more dump. He wants more dump on XCN. Oh no. Hold on. Everything on my end is frozen. Hold on. All right, I think we're back. The unfrozen stopped, or the frozen stopped. a true family here, bro. I appreciate that, Derek. What's up, Alex? How high can Jasmine go? Uh, are you saying $5 XRP Slava? Thought you were in the camp of 30 to 50 bucks. Let's see. All right, I think we're back. Wow, we got 58 people here now. People are showing up for the bear market. Yeah, you can't play that game, Joe. I've done that many, many times. Wishing you would have got in on something that's pumping. And then as soon as you chase the green candles, you lose even more money. I did that just the last week. I put a long in on something that was pumping to the moon on Blowfin, and as soon as I bought in with a little 3x stop loss and everything, it dumped and half my money was gone within like 5 minutes. So yet again, I'm learning my lessons for another bull market because crypto sucks. But what can you do? Oh, that is a good idea. He wishes Turbo would partner with TurboTax. Great advertising. Yeah, that would be something probably. Turbo to the moon. B3 is taking a breather. Yeah, I think there's still more pump coming. That's why I want to get in on it, but I can't. I just want to do a little long on it just to get a little bit of something going on. Still holding my XCN, but it's down big time. There's no point in selling it now. It's not enough money to do anything with. So the amount of XCN coins I have, I'm just going to see if it rides up to 10 cents. Maybe it hits $1 someday. It's one of those plays to where you're down so much, there's just no point in getting out. Same thing with all my meme coins I own. The 3 little meme coins I own, they're down so far, there's no point in selling. It's not worth it. By the time I pay fees to switch over to Blowfin from Coinbase, it's just not worth it. Yeah, FOMO gets you every time, I agree. Yeah, that's why I'm coming up with a little game plan. I'm not going to FOMO no more. No, I'm not chasing any green candles. As I say that, I want to chase the green candle on B3 here. But I'm just talking about a short-term play. It looks like it's coming back down here, double support. But just for a little short-term play, a little pump would be nice. Just to pull, one of my fingers out of the shadow realm to say hi. Let's see. So what's the next coin up on Coinbase? Daniel says I put 11K buy at around 1-1 area for B3. Really? Yeah, it could come down there. Still bullish over 1-1-382. So hopefully you get filled. Yeah, I miss those days of being able to do things like that, especially with 11K. Jeez. I mean, when you have a good amount of money on anything, even if you have $500 and you put it in a long or a short with just low leverage, a 3x, 5x, depending on what it is, your money can double, triple, quadruple within a matter of moments if you pick the right play. It's a nice feeling. I got greedy though, because I had last week I was trading on Blowfin, or this week I don't remember, but just a little bitty amount shot up and tripled within like 10 minutes. And then I got greedy and did another long, and then the thing just tanked and the money was gone within like 2 minutes. So that's how fast you can lose your money and make money. But I gotta stop chasing the green candles and the red candles. I gotta be smarter about it. Patience is key. Yeah, I agree, Dave. Hope we all make it. A lot of you guys are gonna make it. A lot of you guys have some decent money in the market. Derek says ZBCN. Yeah, if the market doesn't absolutely tank from here and just like everything goes to zero, like Jasmine and everything, just for the fact I've said this before, not Jasmine, but just for the fact that metal detecting came in here forever. He's been here forever, and he's been bullish on XCN forever, and he got a decent move, and now he's bullish on Jasmine. He's gonna make it. Why do I keep typing Jasmine? Zebek. Sounds like what is that, a German word? Zebek. The bull market is coming. Just have patience. Yeah, ZBAC's not a bad play at all. Especially if you go look into it and do research on it. Research, rather. They seem like a legit good coin that's going to do something. And it's been consolidating for so long. Held the 6-1 or 786, now you're above the 618. So if you can hold 309, once this thing finally breaks the market structure of downtrend, lower highs, this thing may take off. Not financial advice, because I know someone in here is putting their life savings, because I said it's going to do an 800% move. It does not have to. It's only going to do a 500% move to 005. But yeah, this one doesn't look bad at all. Billion market cap on this one to a penny. Easy 18x almost. Yeah, it is a long market. It takes patience. I agree. Jasmine Army on the move. Yeah, at this point, I don't even want to retire. I just need money to fix things in my life. Debt, and I just need to buy a house. Tired of renting. Tired of wasting money on renting. B3 go down, please. But yeah, if I could just get back into the market a little bit, along with the YouTube channel here that's been taking off lately, even in bearish times, you guys are showing up. I can't believe we're coming up on where we're 12K and next stop is 13K subscribers. And we're going to be here. I'm going to be here. I'm going to keep growing this channel even in the bear market. Even if we have to do videos on how to short in the bear market, even dip our toes into the stock market and find coins to invest in, or stocks to invest in, whatever we got to do. What are we at now? Yeah, we're still slowly dipping down, so looks like 14 down to 1 to 11 is the price. But we're still holding. There's double support here. So do I switch the music? Do we put bullish music on, or is this good? Let's see. Excuse me. If I had to throw down right now, what would you buy? It's tough. Just because everything's going down right now, I may have to wait a couple of days, but this very day, this very moment, I'd wait for B3 here to hit one of these targets, and I'd probably buy in for a little 3 to 5x long. Long term, I would wait for probably Ondo to dip, and then just instead of spot buying, I'm probably gonna buy a 3x safe long on Ondo. Ondo's been on my mind lately. I would buy Ondo if I had the money. Very good safe stop loss to where I knew I was not going to lose my money. But yeah, and maybe Jasmine. This sucks. There's not, the only one I can use to long and short is Blowfin, and there's no ZBCN on there. There's no XCN. Excuse me. Some of the coins I would long and short right now, but they're not on there. Man, I sold my house so I can go back renting. Yeah. Yeah, I know property tax is ridiculous. My whole thing is I got to get back down to South Texas. Got to get back down there soon. But I would love to have the money to just buy a house, even with property taxes. instead of renting an apartment for $1,000 a month, and then all the bills that come with that: electricity, internet, water, cable, trash, whatever. Yeah. He says, dig your vibe, brother. I appreciate that, Lord Zero. Cool. Is there anyone else out there besides, what was his name? I can't remember. Is there anyone else out there that streams every day about crypto? Some days I don't even want to do this, but I'm here. Like today, I almost didn't stream today because I came across new information today, and it was just, as I always say, just so bearish, not bullish for me at all. And it's just like, we got Blue Man for 4. I appreciate that. 10th super chat on the channel. I appreciate that. 10th super chat, super sticker. What is that? A cup of coffee or a cup of wine? It looks red. I appreciate that. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, all you guys. And when we really flip bullish, hold on. But when we really flip bullish, you gotta. I'm gonna make some of you guys moderators probably that have been here for a while, because we're gonna have people come in here left and right, just newbies and all kinds of people, trolls, and everyone under the sun wanting to know when their coin's gonna do what. And you are some smart people in here. When would you put some money into B3 for a quick profit? Probably at 14. We still looking at it here? Yeah, I'm liking this double support here. 1618236 at 14. A little bit of selling pressure coming in, just like back here, but yeah, probably at 1.4. That's when I'd buy in. We got Bryant for 15. I appreciate that. Thanks, bro, for the info. I appreciate you. I appreciate that coming in. I appreciate everything you do. Appreciate you being here every day, my man. All you guys that come in here every day, even when there's 10, 20 people of us in here talking for hours, it's the best thing. Oh man, that was the greatest game ever. I actually played that with my son a couple months ago. Probably 6 months ago now. On the Xbox. GoldenEye, Nintendo 64. I think it was the same one. But yeah, they have GoldenEye on Xbox from you can get. I don't remember where it's from. But yeah, we used to play that as kids, and it was on Xbox, so I loaded it, and me and my little 9-year-old played it, and he loved it. Those old games are hard. But yeah, yet again, I appreciate the 15 from Bryant. Appreciate your support, my man. GoldenEye. Yeah, and he thought it was really cool when I did the little, the little code you could do where you could put in for the golden guns. He loved that. What about Moonwell? Moonwell is going to the bottom. We've been saying the same thing on Moonwell forever. Ever since it topped, I've been telling you guys, more likely than not, just like we're saying on Swift and Spa and Spell. Well, they changed their ticker symbol. When did they do that? Oh yeah, we were trying to find a well chart last night. Now I don't know which well chart we had. Well, this crypto one, HTX, coin. Let's see which one we have. All right, the original well chart. We've been saying it since back here when it started to break down that it's probably, if it doesn't hold support, coming back down. So right now you're down below the double 0.5. Same thing we've been saying forever. Back to the trend, higher low in place. So another 17% drop down to 2.5, 618. Same thing it did back here, just came back down. So overall macro market structures in play, higher highs, higher lows. And that's really all you can say. Moonwell, at some point it's going to hit $1.30, 40x. Take it down to 618, that's a 50x. But it's just completing what it needs to complete. Higher high, higher low, higher highs next. Any thoughts on White Rock? It's on Uniswap. White Rock. White Rock, let's see. It's backed by BlackRock, so the website says. Yeah, a lot of these coins websites, they'll say things like that and say they're AI or RWA, but it's just what they say. White Rock. Wait, what am I spelling? White Rock to the moon. White Rock. This thing? Eek, hold on. Maybe we should look at the Uniswap chart. Yeah, I don't know if I got the right thing or not, but that looks like crap. Is that the right thing? Uh, what would you do to flip 25K to 100K? Not financial advice, but one of the coins that's still down, one of the blue chips, maybe Cardano. use this channel for background music. What's up, Matthew? Love the channel. Love the content. I'll be sticking around through the bearish and bullish action. I appreciate that. Webflex looks good. It just bounced up and down for months. Yeah, just let me know if this is it or not, because I don't know. 3015 White Rock. But just initially looking at the chart here, this does not look good. I would not touch anything that looked like this. Just everything doesn't look good on this chart. If this is it. And if this is it, the wicks all over the place. I would not touch this with anything. Yeah, I would treat this as a gamble play. I wouldn't buy this with a lot of money. Zero 30145. Yeah, it's the same thing on the crypto chart here. But yeah, anything on Uniswap you treat as a gamble play. You don't put your savings into it or anything, especially this coin here. Whatever chart we look at, there's wicks all over the place, very volatile. There's just nothing attractive on this at all. Just my honest opinion. I wouldn't buy this for anything. Maybe a gamble play, you know, put $100 on it to see what happens, but other than that, no matter what their website says, it doesn't look good. I doubt anything like this is backed by BlackRock. It could be, but I doubt it. So the big question is, do you gamble on it with your life savings or not? Excuse me. Yeah, because just for this thing to hit a new high, 1272 at 307 is a 4x, 5x maybe. But it looks horrible. Greetings from Singapore. How's it going, my man? XLM still looks good, I believe. Stellar Lumens to the moon with XRP. Still holding up in the bull flag, so it looks good here. These bigger coins, XLM, XRP, they're all good. They're still holding or back testing and they look good. Oh wow, I didn't realize it was 8 o'clock already here. But yeah, a little bit longer stream than usual. We're still over the 382, as you can see here. Holding up in the bull flag. So XLM still is in a good spot. Trying to hold the 236 here, break down below it, but if you can get back over 32.5, bullish over 37 pretty much, and it looks like the breakout is your 786 here, 43 to 45. But yeah, Stellar Lumens doesn't look bad where it is. What are we looking at? Arkham for Singapore. You talking about Arkham Intelligence? Yeah, we looked at that one already today. Arkham Intelligence. Yeah, a little double bottom in play on the 3-day chart. Excuse my yawning. So if this is the bottom, there's nothing bullish on here. Lower lows, lower highs. You can clearly see that. But you did just hit this volume area. So back over 94 to 95 signals the bottom is in. Bullish over 125. Breakout over 195. Probably 670 here, or 270 rather. But Arkham here is a newer coin. If it's going to perform well, 1618, $12, 18, 19x. But right now there's nothing bullish on here besides this possibly being the bottom. But you have to get back over 95 to confirm that. Your opinion on STX, you get BTC for staking it. Stacks. STX. Yeah, I've heard that before. It's something to do with Bitcoin that you never hear about. Broke the uptrend and it's falling off the table now. So you're above the 0.5. Oh, come on. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on stacks right now. Lower lows, lower highs. Broke the trend. So let's see what we broke from the low to the high. Alright, right on the double 0.5 at the moment. So any lower than 83 to 89, then once you broke the 382 here at 127, more likely than not 618 retracement, 382 retracement. So right now on the table is a 37% drop on stacks. Like I said, right now nothing bullish on the chart at all. But yeah, we've been on here for a while. I think we're going to end it very soon. So B3, only thing I will say on B3 is any lower than the 382, then the top is confirmed in. And this is what I said earlier. I'd buy in at 14 and I would buy in and lose all my money. But still bullish. 1272, 382 down to 11. So if you can hold 14 here, which it's trying to, as you can clearly see, I can't even put this on here to measure it, but 20% drop down to 11. Any lower than 11 on an hour candle, then it's done. But it's still holding here. It still looks good. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. We're way over 2 hours on the stream already. Doesn't seem like it. We've been covering a lot. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. Appreciate the super chats that came in. Always a blessing. And we will be back on here tomorrow. As always, every day, streaming and grinding this thing out. So with that being said, I appreciate everyone in here. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everyone.